Today, we're going to be taking a quick look at Nellie Preserve right behind us. It is in North Santa Rosa Beach. And when I say North Santa Rosa Beach, all I mean is that it is north of US Highway 98. So we're going to take a quick look. They've got 3 floor plans to choose from. They're roughly 22 to 2,500 square feet in size. You have a 1-story option, and then there are 2-story options. And these homes are in, I would say, right around the low to mid fives. Great little choice if you're looking to be close to 30A. Now, if you are on the south side of US Highway 98, you're going to have to bring 2 checkbooks because homes similar to this, they're a little bit bigger, are going to cost you at least $1 million. So these are very affordable. This is a great option if you're looking for a second home in the Santa Rosa Beach area, or even a primary home. One of the really cool things is that there are no rental restrictions in this area. So if you're wanting to come and spend a month at the beach or a couple of months, but you can't stay all year, then you can rent it out for the remainder of the year. Or if you want to do a long-term rental, if you're looking for an investment property, you're not ready to move to the area, then you have that option. So you can hold this property till you're ready to move and make it a primary residence. So you have lots of options here. Like I said, I think there's three, no, not I think, I know there are 3 floor plans here, and we're going to take a quick look at the model home. These homes are not quite ready. They're going to be done probably, there's 2 or 3 homes that are going to be ready in about a month or so. There are 2 that are already sold. So you still have 17 lots to choose from. So we're going to go ahead and take a quick look at the model home so you can get an idea. Can you still hear me? Little traffic. Get an idea of what the features and the upgrades look like in these homes. So stay tuned till the end, and I will let you in on some of the builders' incentives. They're not quite at an incentive point yet because this is a brand new community, but they are offering fantastic financing, and I'll tell you about that at the end of the video. I'm Hillary Driscoll Olds with Location Real Estate, your Santa Rosa Beach realtor. Let's take a look at the model.
The model home that we're looking at right now is the Rhett floor plan. It is the smallest of the 3 options that are available, and it's the only single story. It's 1,799 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. And some of the features that I really like about this subdivision is that there's no carpet, which is fantastic. It's all luxury vinyl plank. And then you have quartz countertops and the double tray ceiling in the living room, which is so pretty with the crown molding. There's crown molding throughout, so it's really a very nice upgrade. The other thing that they've done in this subdivision is that the master shower is tiled. It's not just a drop-in, so that's a really nice little upgrade. One of the other things that's really awesome about the location of Nellie Preserve is that it's right down the street from the Kellogg Bayside Park. So you can walk there in 5 minutes. So if you need to walk off a big dinner or you just like being outside, you can just walk down the end of Nellie Drive and you have Bayside Park. It's a little county maintained park. It has plenty of picnic benches, lots of shade. If you wanted to drop in your canoe or your kayak, they have a little launch there. Or if you just wanted to fish, that's nice too. And they do have water there. So that's good too. And there's plenty of parking if you don't want to have to walk. So that's one big benefit of the Nellie Preserve location. If you have any questions about Nellie Preserve, or if you'd like to see the homes that are available there, my information is down below. Just give me a quick call, or you can schedule a consultation at your own convenience. The important thing to know is that I can help you in any new construction community in Santa Rosa Beach or the surrounding areas. It doesn't matter who the builder is, but I can help you through that entire process. So don't hesitate to contact me. Again, my information is down below. Give me a quick call or set up a consultation and we'll get you taken care of.